In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation Camo fast on the Dravec 45 here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and head into your gunsmith, go up to this little customize tab right here and into the camo section, specifically into this zombies tab, and this is where you're going to need to go in order to see all the challenges that you need to complete in order to go ahead and complete the Infestation camo. Now, the method for this is pretty simple. First things first, obviously start with these military camos. This is going to be your 1000 quick kills or headshot kills. Load into a survival map, run up some trains, and you'll knock this one out. It is going to be the most tedious and long process out of all of the other challenges, so keep that in mind. But essentially, just get those headshot kills. In fact, for all of these, go ahead and make sure you're playing a survival map unless I say otherwise. But these military camos are pretty self-explanatory. For the first special camo, you're going to want to go ahead and get 300 eliminations with brain rot equipped. Now, brain rot does not have to be the thing that is getting these 300 eliminations. You just need to have brain rot activate, and with the entire duration of brain rot being activated, that's when you're going to want to go ahead and try and get as many kills as humanly possible. It's only 300 total. You're only going to need a few activations in order to knock this out. And from here, we can move on to Slither, which is just 5 crit kills rapidly 15 times. You're pretty much going to want to do the exact same thing that you did to get your crit kills in the first place. The only difference is this time it has to be rapidly, and you have to get 5 crit kills total in quick succession. Do that 15 times, and you'll knock this one out quickly. And from here, we can move on to Pathfinder, which is just 100 kills with a field upgrade active. It doesn't matter which field upgrade you use. Preferably, you're going to want to do one with a longer duration, but 100 kills is not too bad. Just throw that field upgrade down, and then from here, just get your kills like normal. It doesn't have to be quick kills. It doesn't have to actually be anything in specific. Just make sure that you have that field upgrade down, and you'll knock this one out. This should only take 2 rounds max. From here, we can move on to Golden Dragon, which is just 10 kills rapidly 15 times. This is only 150 kills total. It's super easy, should only take 2 rounds max. Just run up a train, get rapid kills, meaning killing them in quick succession. It'll take 2 rounds max, which is good because Bloodstone is where it starts getting a little bit more complicated. You have to get Golden Dragon in all 6 SMGs before doing so. And after that, you got to get 20 kills without taking damage 5 times. And they have to be consecutive kills, meaning in quick succession, without taking any damage. I mean, overall, the challenge itself is easy. The prerequisite is a little bit more difficult. Just go ahead and just run up a train and you'll knock it out quick. For Doomsteel, you have to go ahead and get Bloodstone on all 30 weapons first. And from here, what you're going to want to do is load into Ashes the Damned and get all the way past round 16. After you get past round 16, the first Zersa is going to spawn in. Go ahead and take out that Zersa. And from here, go ahead and run into the Fog, because every 2 to 5 minutes in the Fog after round 16, you're going to get a Zersa bear spawning in. This actually makes it very, very convenient to get your elite zombie kills, because those Zersas are going to count as elite zombie kills. And essentially just stay in there from around 20 to 50 minutes and you'll go ahead and knock out all of your elite zombie kills. Now, obviously, in the Fog, it is a little bit hectic and intense. If you have to step out of the Fog, you're more than welcome to. However, if you really want to farm it quick, just stay in the Fog the entire time and take out those Zersas as they're spawning in. From here, you just have to get Doomsteel on 30 weapons to unlock Infestation, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.